Listen, we got a video today, and it's called Masterpieces of Don Surah Al-Ashar, okay, by Sheikh Noureddin MK. I probably messed it up, but I apologize, man. It's your boy Mental Twilight. Now remember, just first time on the channel, you have not already subscribed. What are you doing? We are the latest family on YouTube, and that's back. And also, before we get started, if you got a video we react to, get down in the comment section, let me know, and I will get to it, man. Let's go ahead and get to the reaction, man.
سبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم. هو الذي أخرج الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب من ديارهم لأول الحشر ما ظننتم أن يخرجوا وظنوا أنهم مانعتهم حصونهم من الله فأتاهم الله من حيث لم يحتسبوا وقذف في قلوبهم الرعب يخربون بيوتهم بأيديهم وأيدي المؤمنين فاعتبروا يا أولي الأبصير. ولولا أن كتب الله عليهم الجلاء لعذبهم في الدنيا ولهم في الآخرة عذاب النار ذلك بأنهم شاقوا الله ورسوله ومن يشاق الله فإن الله شديد العقاب. لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون. هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Ooh, what's for fam? What? I did not know that I did not know that the surah can be recited like that. Bro, this brother has soul. What's our family? Don't lie to me. Have you ever heard a recitation like this with that much soul? Oh my gosh, what's our family? Please. Where is this mosque located, and then also where is this guy from? Like this, I need to watch more of him. Like, brother has soul. Brother had soul. Like when I say that you can feel it, like he put them rhythms in it. You know what I'm saying? Like it felt more like a, I don't know, like. It's like it's like music, like, but I don't want to call it that. It's like a vibe, like a rhythm. You know what I'm saying? Like he knows how to control his vibrations. You know, this was beautiful. This was beautiful to our family. I don't know how y'all get when y'all listen to like the recitations, but to me, it's like a whole new kind of world. Like, cause for me, I've never heard nothing like this. So when I hear it, it makes me feel like where has this been all my life? Like, it makes me feel like why nobody told me about this? Like, why is this like my first time hearing this now? But then again, it's like it's whether late than never, you know. So I should be thanking God that I'm able to witness it now, you know,